Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off friends quests in the Duolingo app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open the Duolingo app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, then tap on the cog icon, then tap on preferences, and here we can tap on friends quests to turn them off. Thereby we are not going to have quests shared with friends. Or if we want to turn it back on, we can just tap on it again and it's going to be on. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.